All right, many of you may have heard how Amazon is selling counterfeits, but there is one way that I will show you how to avoid that and get yourself a quality OEM genuine part from a reputable seller. All right, we're here in the Tacoma, the V6. Got this filter installed over a year ago. Car runs like a champ, so there are no issues there. All right, as you can see, I've had it for a year and everything's running well. But anyways, this is how you can avoid buying counterfeits on Amazon. So what you can do is when you look on the product page, many of you may not know, but they always pick random sellers with the lowest price with the fastest shipping on their page. So that seller could be anyone, could be a reputable seller, it could be a no-name seller, or it could be who knows. So what you can do is you can actually select the seller that you want to buy from. So let me show you a screen clip here of what you can do. So basically I clicked other sellers and you can see the list here. These are all the sellers selling this filter. So there, as you can see, I'm opening it up and you can see there's many different dealers selling this same filter, which is what you want to buy from. And you can see one wholesaler. So that wholesaler, you don't know where they source their parts from. It could be from anywhere. So that is one seller you will want to avoid. So you can see there's many different dealers, Toyota dealers. I bought this filter from Daytona Toyota. I'm guessing Daytona, Florida. So yeah, so I had this installed and so far it's been running great. And this is the packaging it comes in. This is the little half box that they gave me. I'm not sure if you parts guys recognize any of these stickers. Has the dealer information, date, lane. So I am pretty confident that this product is genuine. I doubt counterfeiters would have this sticker here with the dealer numbers and everything on there. But yeah, this is the box it comes in. So just a little quick overview of the box. This is what it looks like. Print is nice and clear. And the thing with the fakes is, one thing you can tell is if the print is off, small, and also the flaps of the box is not, perfectly aligned across. Sometimes if we have protrusions of the paper, it wouldn't be a clear X on the bottom. So that's one way you can tell. Holograms, looks good. Counterfeiters already know how to duplicate the holograms, unfortunately, so that doesn't mean anything, but as you can see here, it's nice and clear and is of high quality. So let's open up the flap, barcode. All right, and the filter itself. So one way you can tell is the finish of the filter. Fakes would have an orange peel finish. This is nice and smooth. Another thing you can tell is by the ridges here. It's nice and even and consistent all around. The fakes wouldn't be this straight. It will be like all over the place. And the font itself, the most important thing is if it's white. If it's darker, grayish color, that's a sign that you might have a counterfeit part. And the bottom comes with the plastic. Counterfeiters already know how to duplicate that, but another trick, let me get this cover open, be right back. All right, so my audio got cut off here, unfortunately, but anyways, I'm gonna show you here how a genuine Toyota filter gasket is securely placed inside of a oil filter. With the counterfeits, they seem to be using thinner gaskets that are poorly fitted into their gaskets, so it's very easy to come off sometimes on their own. But for Toyotas, they are securely snug inside the filter, so you'll have no issues with it coming out. And as you can see, it's taken me quite a bit of force to get it out. All right, so there you go, guys. If you guys want to, get your quality parts for a cheaper price, make sure you do this little trick. Well, I wouldn't say trick, it's there on the website, but most people fail to even check. They just buy from the first seller they see, or they don't even know. So some sellers might take a while. I believe Daytona took like a few days longer than your typical prime shipping. So in the end, it's totally worth it because you're getting a genuine part. So if you want to check out other oil filters on Amazon, check the link in my description below, and make sure you check out the sellers and buy from a reputable one, and preferably a dealer. So thank you guys for watching. See you next time.